Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today on the bench I have a 1981 Kenner Attack Star Wars Walker. Seller's description on this was a vintage Star Wars Attack Walker. Condition is used, needs a good clean. Electric's not working. Let's have a quick look at the toy. I would say there was supposed to be a cover over here and underneath here that's missing. Otherwise, apart from it being rather dirty, it's not in too bad condition for its age. Just have a look inside. Inside the toy there is a handle here for operating the head. It's also got a switch on the side of it, which I'm assuming is the switch that works any lighting or sound effects. I don't know what this is supposed to do at the moment. Inside there is a battery cover, which takes two D-cell batteries. The battery contacts themselves in there look fairly worn. I think I'll start with connecting a 3-volt power supply to the battery compartment and seeing if anything happens. I've noticed on the underside here there is a light bulb, so I'd imagine the electronics, whether it's sound effects or whatever, is housed in this unit. 3 volts is hooked up. It's not pulling any current at the moment, so I'm going to press the button. Oh, so much for the electrics not working. Pulling 517 milliamps. The operation's a bit suspect. The switch doesn't feel too good. You can see the battery contacts are quite worn. Okay, let's take it apart, give it a little inspection, a little service. This is the wear I was talking about. This copper coating has come away slightly. Okay. I'm just going to measure the resistance of the contact on this switch. So I'm going to connect between the 2 points across the switch, press the button. I'd imagine the main problem is due to corroded or tarnished contacts on this switch. It's not putting the power through to the motor properly. I'll see if I can get access to it and do a little bit of maintenance cleaning up of the contact surfaces. Okay, I have found the problem. It's this lower contact that should be riveted and attached underneath this plate here. And the rivet has come loose, it's come undone and allowed this to move around. So sometimes when you press the button it worked and sometimes it didn't. Okay, I've glued it back into position, but I think I'll add a machine screw through the hole to give it a little bit of extra strength. So we measure the resistance and see if we get a better operation now. I'm also going to check the resistance through the cable with connection onto the main plate. Okay, so it's 0.2 of an ohm onto the plate itself. Mega ohm. So we've got a very poor connection. So I'm going to flash the solder around the connection. That's giving it a solid bond. Let's just electrically test it. Right, okay, that's good. Let's reassemble. Let's hook up the power supply and give that a try. So all this does is just drives an electric motor, which makes a mechanical noise. And the light bulb comes on as well. Mechanically it looks fine. So what I think I'll do is I'll just clean it up, put it back together again. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.